Next filter for your enjoyment is a Promotive. Also made in the USA. Curious to see what the inside of this one looks like. Okay. See if that's enough to open it. Yeah, it is. Let's see what we got here. See if I can even get the insides out of this one. It's got a metal end cap. There we go. The can's about what you would expect. You can see there it's got some strength to it. This is the bottom plate. It does have, if you look on here, it does have some sludge in the bottom. But what happened when I punctured this is I punctured this canister, which went directly through the hole on this spring and directly through the metal that's on this filter, or on the ends of this filter. Just on close eye, first inspection, this looks like a purelator on how it's put together. There's the seam. Right there, where it's joined. The purelators have a metal crimp. They used to. There's a lot more pleats on this filter than compared to the frame. And it's got the metal end plate. And your anti-drain back valve here is, you know, feels like it's at least made of rubber. So that's that one. Opinion on this one, if it wasn't for the fact that, you know, the bottom of your oil filter, like you could just crawl up under somebody's car and throw a screwdriver right through it and right through the part of the oil filter. Overall, it looks like a half decent filter because you got these end caps on here and they're not separating. Pleats aren't separated from the metal plates. Overall, Promotive, I believe, is sold by a popular retail outfit on the commercial side. Overall, not bad. But if you're changing oil yourself, I'd still go with a, you know, a purelator or Wix